In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up interactive brokers alerts. If you've ever missed a fill, a margin warning, or a key account message, setting up alerts in the client portal will keep you informed in real time without needing to watch the screen all day. We'll walk through where to find the settings and how to choose the types of notifications that matter most to you, all in just a few minutes. First, log into the client portal using your usual credentials. This is the web-based dashboard where you manage your account, positions, and settings. Make sure you're on a trusted connection and signed into the correct account, since the alert preferences you choose here apply to that specific account profile. Once you're in, look toward the top of the page for the bell icon, which represents notifications. Clicking that will take you directly to notification settings. If you don't see the bell, you can reach the same place by clicking the user icon, then selecting Settings, and then Notifications. Menus can vary slightly based on updates, but those two paths both lead to the same configuration page. On the Notifications page, you can choose which alerts you want to receive by email, by SMS, or both. Start by reviewing the main categories. Trade alerts let you know when orders are submitted, partially filled, or fully executed, so you can confirm activity without refreshing your orders screen. Margin notifications are critical if you're using leverage. They warn you when your margin cushion gets tight so you can add funds, reduce exposure, or otherwise manage risk before a forced action occurs. General FYI alerts cover account and system messages, things like corporate actions, account notices, or service updates that help you stay informed about non-trade events. As you choose delivery methods, think about urgency and noise. Email is great for record-keeping and lower-priority items, while SMS is best for time-sensitive alerts like margin or significant trade fills. To avoid alert fatigue, start with the essentials, margin notifications and key trade alerts, and only add more categories once you see what's truly useful. Also, ensure the email address and mobile number associated with your account are current, since alerts will be delivered to those on file. If you rely on SMS while traveling, remember your carrier may apply messaging or roaming charges. That's it. Log in to the client portal, open notification settings via the bell or the settings menu, and select which trade alerts, margin notifications, and FYI messages you want by email or SMS. With the right mix, you'll get timely, actionable updates and keep your attention where it matters most.